replicate his or her own image in the student. But the teacher tries to mold the student into a person who can build his or her own image. Okay, the teacher is a molder. So being a class teacher, I would like to share our class journey. Few words I will speak about you all. Initially when you were given to me, that is in standard 6 via HM, we both were unknown to each other, right? I was not knowing you, you all were not knowing me. So while having a teaching learning process, there were many ups and downs, and it's a part and parcel of our teaching learning process. But slowly, when we were coming to school, we started knowing each other. I was like, हाँ ये लड़का ना अभी ऐसा है, उसके पास ऐसे skills है, ऐसे talent है. So slowly and gradually I started knowing about yourself also, and you also started knowing about myself. Yes or no?
Yes.
अगर आपको अभी शीतल टीचर के बारे में बोलने के लिए बोला तो भी आप बोल सकते हैं कि नहीं? टीचर बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट है, टीचर बहुत ये है वो है. It's okay, fine, it's fun. So it's like we have a good relation, teacher-student relation. Sometimes teachers act like a mom to you all. So teachers are known as second mom in the school. Okay? Please be quiet. Listen to me for 2 minutes. So teachers are like second mom. Whatever problems you have, you sometimes share. And really, I appreciate most of the students. During lockdown also, no? It was too difficult for us to contact you all. But you people, as you had my number, you yourself started contacting me, and we had a good rapport during the online class also. So whether it was the observation of our class, whether it was the inspection, whatever matter were given to us, we did it very smoothly during online classes. Yes or no?
Yes.
And you all cooperated me. That was the main thing. The cooperation is must. Now few things you have to remember in your you'll be going in the secondary school, right? So we won't inspect you or we won't have an observation on you all. Continuously as you will be in our class, after going to 9th standard, you won't be in my class, right? So I won't observe you all every time. So the thing is, what you should remember is always have positivity. Sometimes teacher gives some work, what you all do? You all make faces, right? So that is not a case you need to have. You should be always positive. Whatever work is given, if you take it in a positive way, no, it will be really a happiness for you all to complete the work. Is it clear? Always be positive and try to take responsibilities. I know many of the students took the responsibilities during whatever the programs were held, the online day celebrations were there, but still there were few who tried to ignore it. And see students, each and every individual has some or the other talent. Okay? Everyone has some or the other skill in you all. Try to come out of it. Okay? You should always try it. Sometimes कभी-कभी लड़कियाँ क्या करते हैं, shy हो जाते हैं. No. See now BMC is providing you all hobby classes too. If you have that skill, try to make out. Okay? And the next thing is, first is positivity. Second is what? You should be disciplined. आपको कितना भी मार्क्स मिलेंगे, बट इफ यू आर नॉट डिसिप्लिन द वे ऑफ स्पीकिंग टू अदर्स, बी रिस्पेक्टफुल. आई हैव ऑलवेज टॉट यू ऑल, यू शुड बी वेरी डिसिप्लिन. आप किधर भी जाएंगे सिस्टमैटिक बैठना, उठना, बोलना. हैव सम डिसिप्लिन, ओके? एंड यू ऑल हैव दैट बिकॉज everyone does in my class. But if you are in some other society or in a hall or any playground, try to have that discipline. Okay, maintain it. Then the third one is what I always keep on saying. No one remembers. First is positivity, second is discipline, and third is hard work. Okay, third is hard work. See, without hard work, no one gets a bright future. So you all are going to be in secondary school. So you have to study. आपके मम्मी पापा कुछ तो आपके पास उम्मीद रखे होंगे कि नहीं.
Yes.
उन्होंने इतनी मेहनत की है, उन्होंने आपको स्कूल भेजा है, वो किस लिए? कि ताकि मेरा बच्चा कुछ बने. Yes or no?
Yes.
Don't take studies lightly. Not to take studies lightly. Unless you do the hard work, you cannot get a better marks. Is it clear?
Yes.
So I just take 3 points which you are going to remember. First is
Positive.
all the work should be taken in positive manner. Second is discipline. And third is done. Yes. So I want to see all my students somewhere else, like a businessman, this, that, CA and all that, and they will come to meet me and I'll feel proud. Which I'm feeling proud now. मेरा फर्स्ट बैच जब मैं दूसरे स्कूल में थी, when I was teaching 7th standard, वो बच्चा, the two are in my contact and one is CA who is working abroad. He calls me on my birthday, every occasion. And one is like, she's a physiotherapist and she is in Bangalore. She also calls me. So I feel very proud. Even I want you all to make us proud. Yes, you are not going to let Andheri West MPS let down. Yes or no? Yes. So 3 cheers for Andheri West MPS. Hip hip. Hooray. Hip hip. Hooray. Hip hip. Hooray. All the best for the future and may God bless you. Thank you.